Do you have a business or a business idea and you want it to succeed? In this video, I will actually show you what every business needs in order to get to the next level of success. Let's get those credits rolling. The first thing that every single business needs is to have a human face. It is very normal for a business to just be running on its own. But if a customer does not feel that they are cared for, then they will actually leave your business. Because they say that people do not buy from businesses, people buy from people. So make sure that every single customer you interact with actually feels that they are treasured, they feel that they are cared for. In fact, they should feel like they are the only customer that you have on that day. So don't leave your customers sitting on a particular place and parking in that particular place when you're attending to someone else who you feel will give you more money, because you never know who your customer knows. So make sure that you give every single customer personalized service and service that will actually make them come again and even become your advocate whenever you're not in the room. The second thing is to have your money right. This is the one place that differentiates small businesses from businesses that succeed. You have to think about the money. And when you're starting your business, usually it's around your passion, usually it's around something that you enjoy doing, things that you've done for free. But if you want to grow your business, then you have to think about money. How much will you charge your customers? What amount will you charge them that they accept, that will also make you profit as well? Because if you're trying to grow your business, you need to take care of your cash flow. And if you're thinking about your cash flow, then you need to have a way for your customers to actually pay you really easily. So you can't have too many steps that the customer takes in order for them to pay you. You need to make it as easy as possible. And the easiest way to do this is by a service that I actually recommend. It's called Virtual Pay. So what Virtual Pay does is they have a system that allows you to pick any form of payments that customers have. And here's the ad. This video is sponsored by Virtual Pay. Virtual Pay enables your business to simply, securely, and seamlessly receive cashless payments. The platform plugs in seamlessly to mobile apps, invoices, SMSs, or even social media, and you can set it up on your website as well. If you want to get a demonstration on how you can be able to incorporate the Virtual Pay system to your business, this is the email that you need to email them. Virtual Pay. Simple, seamless, secure. We are grateful to Virtual Pay for deciding to sponsor this particular video and partner with us on this topic. I will do an in-depth review of their service in the near future, so subscribe to the channel as we go to point number 3. Number 3 is to have a digital media presence. Every single business, as we have seen, has been affected in one way or the other because of the pandemic currently going on. And for every business, this is what you need to do. You need to get on digital media. For many businesses, it is important first to get a website. This is a place where you can put all your resources there. You can be able to put all your contacts there and the work that you have done before. A good service that I recommend and I've done a video about, which I'll place up here, is Bluehost. So Bluehost is a domain host system, meaning you'll get a free domain and you can be able to get your website on their service for even 3 years for just $100. This is one of the cheapest and still most reliable services that I've seen. So I'll place a video showing you how to do it step by step. The second place that you need to get onto is LinkedIn as well as Facebook. I know sometimes Facebook is just for family, but it is still the largest social media platform, and your business needs to be there in its own little corner. So the things that you need to do and the advice I'd give for digital media: 80% value, 20% selling. Because here you're just trying first to create a relationship with your intended buyer before you start telling them to buy your commodities. Another place that you can get into that would really do well for you to have a conversation with your customers is on Twitter. And here you can get into any conversations, whether inside the country or outside, as long as it's within your topic. You as a business can be able to jump into that topic, provide value 80%, then sell 20%. This can be able to help you to propel your brand to the next level and your business to the next level. Number 4 is to register your business. Very many businesses start with an idea, you get on social media, you get your website, but you never get to register your business. This is detrimental if you want to get to the next level. Unregistered businesses have a threshold of the amount of business that they can be able to do, because you have to keep it informal, and as well you have to keep it a secret. If you want your business to succeed, then you need to register your business. This also is because you will have to talk with KRA as well. You will need to get to a place where you are tendering for bigger jobs. If you want to get the bigger jobs, all your big clients will ask for your business to be registered. There's a video that I did on this channel a few years back on registering a business, but this coming week, I will also release a new updated version of the same, showing you a step-by-step process on how you can register a sole proprietorship or a partnership or a company. And that will be on this channel next Monday. So subscribe to the channel. The number 5 thing that every business needs in order to succeed is to think about legacy. How will this company scale beyond the founder? So many businesses are surrounding the business person, and this is very risky if you want your business to succeed. So one of the things that you need to do in order to help your business go forward is to have a hierarchical structure where you have a CEO, you have your managers, you have the other people beneath the managers. This can be set even as you're founding the company, even if you have not filled those slots. So for instance, in my particular business, I am a photographer. So at the very top, I am the CEO. But as well, I am a manager in charge of production. I'm a manager in charge of the creative. I'm a manager in charge of the HR. So I am doing all those roles. And then underneath that, yes, you have a manager, but at the same time, you have a photographer, you have a desk person, you have an assistant. All these are people that are in the business. So they have their job descriptions, they have who they report to. At the moment when you're starting the business, you are filling those 10 or 15 slots all with your name. But the thing that you do in order to scale is that once you have filled in all the job descriptions that are required in the business, then now as your business is growing, you will employ someone and put them in that position. And then you scale up. This is a concept that has been delved into deeply in a book called The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. I'll place it in the description below. And if you'd like me to do an extensive review on how to scale beyond the founder, let me know in the comments below. So if you're there and you want to start your own business, this video on the right will actually show you the different business ideas that you can start in the year 2020. And then this one on the left is on businesses that you can start with 1,000 Kenya shillings. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.